All right, the first thing we are going to do is pin the zipper onto the bag, and we want to pin with right sides together. So I've got my pole facing down, and you pin it on the side with MN first. We're going to line up the edge of the zipper with the edge of the fabric, with the zipper pull towards the M side. And for even stitching, you want to start with the pull down a few stitches, and after we stitch, you will notice that we will stop, we will leave the needle down and pull it up, and I will show you that when we are sewing. You want to make sure that you pin this on straight across. Remember, the heads of your pins are facing out. Now you do want it even from the end of the zipper to the zipper pull end as well, is evenly placed on your bag. Now we will sit down at the machine and sew. What we will do is we want to make sure that we change our presser foot. You need to have the zipper presser foot, which is number 4. Remember, you push the red button and it drops the presser foot. Take that one off and put this one on. Now you cannot put this one on right in the center. That is why it is a zipper foot, so that the needle goes to the side of the presser foot. So you want to make sure it's to the side, then you can set it on. Make sure our threads are out of the way. This edge makes it easy to get close to the coils, and then the needle will go right there next to the teeth or the coils of the zipper. We will start on the end. Make sure when you start sewing, you always back stitch. Want to make sure our threads are out of the way. And we're going to sew, taking out your pins as you go. Keeping it straight. Now what we are going to do when we get close to our zipper pull, we're going to leave our needle down, lift your presser foot up, close the zipper, then we will have a nice straight line to continue sewing. Continue to take out your pins as you go. You don't want to run over any pins. Make sure that you are staying in control and keeping it close to the teeth or the coils of the zipper. Right here at the end, make sure we also back stitch. And then go off the machine. Alright, now what it says to do the next step, if you get out your directions, you can read them there as well. We did this note, keep your stitching line straight. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back and do a top stitching. So we take our zipper, we fold it back like this. We're going to stick it under here. Your top stitching, now remember, a top stitching is shown on the top of your garment. Remember to back stitch. So you will see this stitching, but it will hold your zipper down even. We're going to stop again with the needle down, lift the presser foot, close our zipper, and continue on. Keeping our needle, keeping our presser foot is keeping our needle close and right in line. If you push this button right here, that'll keep the needle down when you're sewing, or it'll keep the needle up. Either way. Now you have your nice neat zipper on one side, and you will do the exact same thing on the other side. You will fold right sides together. Make sure you pin it evenly. You'll sew on this side, and then turn your tube of the zipper inside out and sew it on the top side, just like we top stitched this one.